Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to find the best travel deals with Expedia, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you score those cheap trips you've been dreaming about. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for an Expedia account. Before you start searching for travel deals, sign up for an account on Expedia. Having an account allows you to save your preferences, receive exclusive deals, and track your itineraries easily. Step 2. Use the Flexible Dates feature. When searching for flights or hotels, use the Flexible Dates feature. This allows you to see prices for dates surrounding your preferred travel dates. Adjusting your travel dates by just a few days can often result in significant savings. Step 3. Set price alerts. To never miss a deal, set price alerts for your desired destinations and accommodations. Expedia will notify you when prices drop or when there are special promotions. This is especially useful for popular travel periods when prices tend to fluctuate. Step 4. Explore packages. Expedia often offers package deals that bundle flights, hotels, and sometimes even car rentals. These packages can provide substantial savings compared to booking each element separately. Be sure to compare package prices with individual bookings to see which is the best deal. Step 5. Use the mobile app. Download the Expedia mobile app for additional exclusive deals and user-friendly features. The app sometimes offers discounts that are not available on the website. Plus, you can book on the go and manage your trips easily from your smartphone. Step 6. Check last-minute deals. If your travel dates are flexible, check the last-minute deals section on Expedia. Airlines and hotels often offer discounts to fill empty seats and rooms close to the departure date. This can be a great way to discover budget-friendly options. Step 7. Take advantage of loyalty programs. Join Expedia's loyalty program, Expedia Rewards. By booking through the platform regularly, you can earn points that can be redeemed for discounts on future travel. Accumulating points can be an easy way to save money over time. Step 8. Read reviews and comparison shop. Before finalizing your booking, read reviews from other travelers. This can help you ensure that you are making a wise choice in terms of quality and value. Additionally, make sure to compare Expedia's prices with other travel websites to confirm you're getting the best deal. Step 9. Use promo codes. Before you book, search for any available promo codes or vouchers that can be applied to your trip. Promo codes may be found on Expedia's promotions page or through partner affiliations. Every little saving adds up. Step 10. Book early. While spontaneity can be fun, booking your travel early is often key to finding the best deals. Aim to book your flights and accommodations several weeks or even months in advance, especially for popular destinations. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you find the best travel deals with Expedia. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and travel advice. Safe travels!